ndi bobugai ndibo 1 2 3 ndi bugai tshelede
30 cent
vha tambe nga na tshiwasho tshelede u ḓo vhuya America nge
le mali le inegama elifana nelomuntu wami
yeah
30 cent
at least zwino u khou ḓivha spiritual husband zwino havha no ri khou tshimbila na pfano hafhanoni vha nga mbudzisa ndi no ḓo kilima ubva Pitori uya Venḓa nga milenzhe a vhambe naye nṋe ndi ḓo ḓi amba vho no fhedza
igama bani Phano. Okay, Phano. So sizogijima from Pretoria till Thohoyandou eVenda. Bantu bakithi, this is a very great initiative. Nani niyazi ukuthi anything and everything enabantu baseVenda la ngane khona I support it. And this is a great initiative because it promotes health. Okunye sithini? Sithi stop GBV.
Yes.
Hey. This is very important.
GBV must fall.
GBV
must fall.
And
nale ndaba le yakho makoti yokuthi udlalele emakhawashi lawa aphansi kwemigwaba lawa apha samgwaba badanindondomeza nikototambela kule zikhawashi zapha samgwaba ninde 30 cent achibuya America. Athiri
kunjalo ukuthi nabana nase America la khona ngaze ngifike ngoba ngifuna ukumthola lo
u30 cent
u30 cent ngifuna ukumthola ngaze ngize ngifike
30 cent
so Kutwami, this is a very great initiative and ngithanda ukuthi ngisho ukuthi I support you. I'm in full support njengomakoti ofuna
ukukhulisa waseVenda
makoti waseVenda
uzohamba ngadzidongi yange haya ngochimla dzidongi haya
ufika khona
ngedongadongi for a word
exactly so kubalekile ukuthi encourage because I see he's young young people must be encouraged all the time to do great things kubalekile ukuthi sisupportane entweni ezinhle ngithanda futhi lokubiza abantu abaningi everyone who can support however you can support please show support to this young man because what he is doing is a great thing asibonisane bathi yini ngesivenda ukuphakamisana kutakurana
usarantha takurana aritakurana
aritakuraneni please because uma ngabe senza kanjalo our future in South Africa is going to be bright. Sithi phansi ngeGBV phansi.
GB must fall.
GBV must fall.
Ambani fana GB must fall.
Must fall.
So when are you starting this?
1 June.
1 June. Wow. So it gives enough time for everyone who wants to ukuthi afake isandla noma ubani ufuna ukufaka isandla bantu bakithi asizaneni asiphakamisaneni everyone ufuna ukufaka isandla ofuna ukusupporta ubhutilana makube njalo please contact bangahambi yedwa yabona manibona le moto le ngicela uhlehla kancane if you see this car with this brand mele nazi ukuthi ihamba naye Norman Turkey Security Services.
Regoruwa ngamando bombali.
Powered by Norman Turkey Security Services.
Yes.
That's why I was drawn to you, man. That is why I was drawn to you. Everything.
U30 cent. 30 cent dollar America nge. Ukorobuya ngore arere asabuya bado mundondromeza nge migwabane. Bado mundondomeza, Yeah, ungabu.
I also have a gift for you.
Okay.
As you will be running. Uyabona?
Yes.
Uzodinga okuntofontofo ukuthi ugijime ngakho.
Yes.
Ukuthi ugijime kamnandi uze ufike eThohoyandou. From Pretoria to Thohoyandou.
Eish. Nga 12 days. Regoruwa ngamanda bo khaladzi regoruwa ngamanda makoti washu bo bombali. Phano nolibuwa. Roshan Sanmatika no Roshan ka bombali Roshan.
Reliable source